In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove effects in Clipchamp quickly and easily. If you've added a filter, visual effect, or styling option to your video clip and now you've changed your mind, don't worry. Clipchamp makes it simple to turn effects off or switch them back to none in just a few clicks. Whether you're editing for YouTube, social media, or a professional project, knowing how to control and remove effects will help you keep your videos clean and polished. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Clipchamp guides just like this. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open Clipchamp and go to any project of your choice. From the Clipchamp home dashboard, simply click on an existing project that you've already been working on or create a new one if you prefer. Once the editor loads, you'll see your timeline at the bottom of the screen and your video preview window in the center. Locate the clip on your timeline that has the effect applied to it. It's important to make sure you're selecting the correct clip, especially if you have multiple video layers or several clips stacked together. Click once on the clip in the timeline so it becomes highlighted. When it's selected, the editing options will appear on the right-hand Properties panel. Next, with your clip selected, look over to the right-hand side panel and click on the Effects tab. This is where Clipchamp stores all the visual effects that can be applied to your video, such as filters, stylistic overlays, blur effects, glitch effects, and other enhancements. Once you click on Effects, you'll see the currently applied effect highlighted. If your video looks different in the preview window, for example if it has a color tone, blur, or stylized appearance, that means an effect is active. The highlighted effect indicates what is currently applied to your clip. This is the area where you can manage, change, or completely remove the effect. To remove the effect, simply click on the selected effect again to deselect it or choose the option that says None. In most cases, selecting None will instantly remove any applied effect from your clip. As soon as you do this, look at the preview window and you'll notice that your video returns to its original appearance. There's no need to manually delete anything or reset complicated settings. Clipchamp automatically updates the clip once you select None. If you want to switch to a different effect instead of removing it completely, you can click on another effect from the list and it will replace the current one. But if your goal is a clean, original video with no added styling, selecting None is the correct option. After removing the effect, it's always a good idea to scrub through your timeline and preview the clip to make sure everything looks the way you want. Press play in the preview window and double-check that the effect is fully gone. If you've applied effects to multiple clips, you'll need to repeat the same steps for each individual clip since effects are applied per clip in Clipchamp. Once you're satisfied with your changes, you can continue editing or export your video as usual. And that's it. That's how you remove effects in Clipchamp quickly and easily. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks to switch an effect off and restore your original footage. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and practical Clipchamp tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.